jobs is to bail out. We had some water in the bow that we couldn't get at, and moving on to the hard has brought it back. So just checking down in this bilge. That'll dry out, just a little bit of water in there, mucky water. So after about an hour's work in the afternoon, we'd managed to cover about a quarter of the hull, or should I say scrape off about a quarter of the hull of the layer of anti-fouling. This still needs to be rubbed down, and we did find some problems. We found some blisters. There was one there and another one underneath. We popped both of them. They will now need to be ground back and dried and cleaned and dried. Take a little while to do that, but quite encouraging. We're using a carbide scraper and it's working exceedingly well. So one of the other tasks that major jobs is shouldn't be major, but is to take off the prop. This I set up a puller using some spring compressors and a bar. That's under quite a lot of tension. It's actually bending the bar, and the prop isn't moving. It's been hit. We've done all sorts. So that's going to need some heat, and well, I've now ordered a proper prop puller. We also got the anodes off the trim tabs. I'm not sure how I'm going to move the trim tabs yet. That's the job for tomorrow as well. Day's work. Good afternoon. We only had 2 hours work on it, and got that much done. So we should get the bottom fully scraped tomorrow. Hopefully I've got a Russell with me. So this is Sunday morning. No, this isn't a Russell, this is my wife Janet. We're busy scraping away on the hull, taking the anti-foul off. We're using a carbide blade, and they work fantastic. They really do pull the soft anti-foul off. You can see it building up on the blade there. Hi, morning. It's Sunday morning. 2 degrees out here this morning, but looks like a beautiful morning to start. Very cold though. So it looks a little bit drastic taking an angle grinder to a fiberglass hull, but we're grinding back one of the osmosis blisters. And what we're doing is just going down to probably 1 layer of glass, but taking it out in diameter until we get back to where it's not delaminated. And they're around about 2-3 inches in diameter to get to that stage. And what we found is where there were pockets, air pockets in the original layout. So 5 minutes work, and these blisters are ground out now. As you can hear, the heat is going. And these spots, we need a little bit more work on them just to take back. We've got areas just still here, so we just need to open up that a little bit more on this one. And same on this one, you can see it here, not quite got it back out. It's a little bit flaky look there, so that needs to be ground back. So we need to allow those blisters to dry. It's just a matter of grinding back to the good fiberglass and just giving them time. It's a beautiful morning here though. Please like, share and subscribe to see more videos on motor cruising over Grace.